Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I received a request from a very loyal subscriber to do a video on Innersense I Create Volume Lotion. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you all how I use this product in my hair in combination with a foam. And I will talk about what other products I've used with it, what I plan to use with it, and show you exactly what I do. So I have already washed, conditioned, and styled my hair with the products that I'm going to use in this video. This is what my hair looks like. This is day one hair. Definitely good volume for day one, good definition, good shine. It feels super soft. So really excited to show you all how I use this product to achieve this look. Also love the requests coming in. Please let me know in the comments if there is anything else you want me to try out on my channel. Would love to hear from you all so that I'm giving you all content and showing you all things that you are really interested in. But without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to wash and condition my hair off camera, and then I will be back on to show you how I styled it. Okay, so my hair is clean and conditioned now, and I'm going to go ahead and style it with the I Create Volume Lotion. So this is supposed to give your hair volume, it's supposed to moisturize your hair, and it gives you definition as well. I really like this product because it gives me shine, and it has aloe and honey in it, so it helps with the moisture and shine of your hair. I'm going to pair this with the AG Weightless Volumizer Foam. And I've used this before in the past. This is their new packaging, and I think they have changed the formula on this as well. But I do still really love this product, and I think it pairs really well together with the I Create Volume. But before I go ahead and style my hair, I do want to show you all some other things you can use with this product. So I have seen on their website where they mention that you can pair the I Create Volume with the Inner Peace Whipped Cream Texturizer. So I've used this product in the past as well. It's definitely a heavier cream, and I am completely out of it, which is why I have not tried it yet with the I Create Volume, but I am going to purchase some more and try that out together. Another thing that I'm going to try with this eventually in the near future is the Innersense I Create Hold. So this is their gel, and I just think that this may pair well together, but again, I have not tried this together yet, so I'm not completely sure. But I have used the Quiet Calm Curl Control with this, which I really liked this product together with it. I do think that using those two together don't give you enough hold though, so that is why I decided to use a foam with this instead. And I think the combination of the three products is just too much. So that is why I decided to go ahead and just use the I Create Volume with the AG foam today. And I have also used the I Create Volume with the I Create Definition Styling Foam. So I do have a video about this product. And the reason I'm not using this product with the I Create Volume today is because this does give you a more separated look. So it like separates your curls a lot more. So it doesn't clump together as much, or the clumps are a lot smaller. And it is a very, very strong hold foam. So when I use this, it does give me a little bit more of a crunchier feel, and it just isn't as moisturizing as the AG Weightless Volumizer Foam. So because of that, I chose to go with the AG foam. So with that said, we'll go ahead and get started with styling my hair. So it has dried a tiny bit, not much. I did try to rush over here as quickly as possible after washing and conditioning my hair, but I do want to make sure that I'm adding a little bit water to it. I think that should be good. And then the directions do say to separate your hair in at least 4 sections when you're styling it, and to use a quarter size amount. I am going to section it in smaller sections, so I'm going to do more than 4 sections as I style my hair, and I think I'm using a little bit more than a quarter amount because just now I did a 1/4 amount and I'm going to add some more. So it is very slippery. It has good slip, and I'll show you the product in just a second. I'll pour it in my hand so you can see the texture and consistency of it. And this product actually really scared me the first time I used it, just because it says it's a lotion. It's supposed to add moisture and definition to your hair and volume. But then when I opened it and I poured it in my hand, it looked more like a gel. So you can see that is not what I'm used to seeing when I pour a lotion or a cream and apply it to my hair. So I was really confused and I didn't know how it would work or if it would really be moisturizing. But after using it a couple of times, playing with the amounts that I used and also the products that I paired it with, I do really like the product now, and I think it gives me really good volume, especially for my day one hair. And if I haven't mentioned already, can't remember, this does have aloe and honey in it, so that helps to keep your hair moisturized. It gives your hair really good shine. So you will see once I'm done with my hair that my hair definitely will look very soft, shiny. It will have really good hold too because of the foam. So I just love this combination together. And as I'm applying it, I'm smoothing it in. As I said, it has really good slip, so just slips all the way through to my ends, and I just want to make sure that I'm covering my ends and everything else. And then I rake through just a little bit to make sure that it's really covering all of the hair all the way through the section. And then I'm going to apply the foam now. So again, I had this side in 2 sections, so I'm just gonna do that again. And then I'm going to take the AG foam. Just trying to show you all on camera what it looks like coming out. It's not really easy. Well, it's not hard to pump it, but like a lot does not come out. That was like 3 pumps. So I'm going to do 3 pumps in this section. And I do the same thing. I just like smooth it through, do some raking to get those little sections to pop in and get that definition to start popping in also. And then I'll do the same for this section, and I'll do the other side, and then we will speed through the rest of it, and then I will show you what my hair looks like once the product is in and it is still wet, and then I'll jump back on to show you all what my hair looks like when it is dry. And then I like what I did for the other video that I posted, so I will post a short in a few days just to show you all what my hair looks like on the day that I am ready to wash it and let you know how long it lasts. And this product definitely feels like it has good slip too. I did test the 2 products on my hand first before putting it in my hair the first time. So I just pumped both, or put the one in my hand and then pumped the other one in my hand and mixed it together just to make sure that there were no clumps, to make sure that it actually did pair well together, and it did. So I was really excited because I was out of town and I ran out of the I Create hold, and that's what I had planned to use with the Quiet Calm Curl Control, but since I also took the I Create volume with me, it just worked out that I was able to use those 2 together, and I really liked it, obviously, because I'm using it again. All right, so this is where I will do the back of my hair. I'm just going to do the same exact thing. Those sections tend to be a little bit larger just because I can't see what I'm doing back there, but I usually just part the back into like a section like that, and then I'll just take each side and do one side as one section and then do the other side as the other section. And that's how I go about doing the back of my hair. But again, I'm gonna go ahead and speed through that now so you don't have to sit through all of that and wait for me to finish my entire head before seeing the results. Okay, so now that I've applied all the product to my hair, I do want to show you all what the definition looks like and what my hair looks like while it's still very wet. It definitely looks shiny, the definition is there, and it feels really moisturized and soft, but we can only tell how good this product combination is once it has completely dried. So I will be back on in a few hours. I may run some errands or go to dinner in between, but I will show you all later what my hair looks like once it's dry, and I'll be back in just a sec. All right, so I know that you all already saw the final results in the beginning of the video, but I do want to give you all a close-up of the curls just so you can see the definition close up, and then how it did tame the frizz and what my hair looks like and how it clumped and everything like that. Definitely feels really, really good. I didn't do anything to my hair after it dried, so this is exactly what it looks like. I did not do any separating. I didn't do any fluffing. This is what my hair looks like as soon as it air dries, and I was actually out when it air dried, so I definitely did not have a mirror or anything to even know what my hair looked like, but I trust the process, and I knew that my hair probably looked really good because I love that product combination. So I'll just do a quick little spin if I can without knocking things over, so you can see the back of my hair also. And definitely loving the way my hair turned out and the shine that I got. But yeah, so that covers it. I really do enjoy using this product. I love the product combination. Please let me know what you think in the comments. If you liked it, let me know. If you hated it, let me know also. Would love to hear what you thought. And if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.